Tired of squinting at your phone for card details? Let's unlock the convenience of accessing your Revolut card information right on your computer. First things first, open your web browser and go to the Revolut website. You'll typically find the login page on the main Revolut website. Next, log into your Revolut account. This usually involves entering your user credentials, like your email and password. Double-check those to make sure they're correct before proceeding. Once logged in, you'll arrive at your main dashboard. This may vary slightly depending on the Revolut interface updates. Now, you should then navigate to the Cards section. Look for an icon that represents your card options, or a menu labeled with your cards generally. Clicking on Cards reveals a list of your linked Revolut cards. This may include physical cards, virtual cards, or any other cards you've created. Select the specific card you wish to view the details for. At this point, you may not see the full card details immediately. The interface generally focuses on security by masking the full card number. Look for an option like View Details, Show Card Details, or something similar. It might be a button or a clickable link directly related to the specific card you selected. Click on that option, and you should now see your full card details displayed. This usually includes the card number, expiry date, and the CVC code. Make sure you protect this sensitive information. Remember, keep these details private and only share them with trusted websites or vendors. Never save them in any place that could have a data breach. Congratulations! You are now ready to use your card details for online shopping and other transactions. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.